YouTube, what's good? DRELAMARR back at it with another one. You know what time it is. Smash a like, hit the subscribe as usual. And as you see, I'm in the junkyard trying to stuff a old SCARR, and I ran across this old Goodyear Crown Vic. Are these performance coils? I do need a coil, but like, what the fuck type of coils are these? I don't know, I might have to take these shots. Somebody might have put some performance coils on here. It's going to take them. Well, that didn't work out. I went through 2 spark plugs trying to pull them out, but these things been in there so long, they like seized in there. I ain't gonna waste my time trying to go through all of them. I'm gonna go ahead and try to find another car. Damn, this one didn't fail. They can put a while for that one. So after a little hard work and some dirty ass hands, I found a Motorcraft coil pack. So got it out of Crown Vic, same motor, whatever. If it don't work, it don't work. All right, so excuse all my junk and my snacks. You know me, big kid. I got a coil. I have a thread repair kit that I'm gonna try to use. Basically, I guess you kind of carve the hole out with this long tool, put the thread on the new spark plug, put a little sealant around it, put your NTCs, and let it rip. So I got a new spark plug. I run NGKs and some anti-seize. I already have some high temperature stuff at the house, so I'll use that, and hey, let's get it. Okay, so I picked up one of these file chasers. I actually took back the other kit I had because after checking out some reviews, they said it was one of the cheaper ones. So I'm gonna try to clean the threads, and if that doesn't work, then I'll go with a more expensive kit, because if I'm gonna do it right. So as you see, I got it completely covered in anti-seize. Let's go ahead and thread it in there. I'm gonna start by trying to do it by hand. I hope this ain't too much anti-seize. Thread it down. Well, that didn't work. If anything, it made it worse. Can't really. See. Those threads just cooked though. I tried, but it's just spinning and spinning and spinning. So only way I'm gonna fix that is I'm gonna have to rethread it. Hope that works. Back at it, man. As you can see, man, I ended up going with the FORDTRITON insert installer. Had to go with the real one, man. Couldn't go with the cheap O'Reilly's little quick fix situation, which I felt like was gonna get me in the long run. So with this kit, before we even do anything, we gotta make sure we at top dead center, pissing this down, and it's holding air in there. So I got me a little janky air compressor. What you do is take this little hose here, which I already then turned the crank and got it ready, but I'll show you guys how it works. Put that on in there in your cylinder, and when you turn your air on, that happens. happens. When that happens, you know you're good. Valves are closed. I don't know if we can see down off in there, but that piston's down there, buddy. So we're gonna let it rip, man. I'm nervous as hell. I don't want to break my car, but I want to fix my car. Okay, so we got him on in there. Put the mystery oil on that. He's sitting in there, and we're just gonna send it, man. Doing something. All right, I'm done boring it out. I don't know if y'all can see. Y'all could kind of see them fresh threads. I had to thread it by hand because my little power situation sucks. It wasn't even strong enough to turn it off, so I had to do it by hand, but it wasn't hard. I'm gonna blow all the rest of that little dust out of there. Sorry, neighbors, but other than that, I'm gonna put that insert in there, put some Loctite on it, and that's it. All right, put the anti-red thread locker on the insert, and I put the anti-seize on the spark plug. Put it in hand tight. Can't turn it no more. You see I can come out, but we all the way in now. I guess torque him down. Of course, I ain't got no torque wrench, so. It's actually getting tight, y'all. Oh my God, y'all, it's actually tight. Okay, guys, next day, 30 hours later, we all dialed in. The moment of truth. Live. You thought my nigga wasn't gonna live again. I could take off, I noticed why the idle was a little choppy. That coil pack I had in was the wrong one. I thought Motorcraft would do it, but I guess since I got it off of Crown Vic, it's a little different. But it wasn't fitting on there properly, and that cylinder was misfiring. So I put the original one back on, and it's working just fine. So sounds a whole lot smoother. I just disconnected the battery for a second. Let the computer reset because the engine light popped on. So, let's get back to it. That's a lot smoother. Yeah, smooth as idling now. It's not like blop, 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 blop. I don't got no cam. It shouldn't be blopping. There you go. That's a lot smoother.